There were two opportunities for federal immigration, or ICE, to detain Pablo Serrano-Vitorino before this week's murders. 41 Action News investigator Andy Alcock joins us now with details on what happened.
Krista, we now know the illegal immigrant from Mexico had two run-ins with Kansas law enforcement last year. In both of those cases, ICE had opportunities to take Serrano-Vitorino into federal custody, but it didn't happen.
KCK officers arrested Pablo Serrano-Vitorino last June for accusations of domestic violence against his brother. After his arrest, the Wyandotte County Sheriff's Office notified federal immigration authorities, or ICE, because Serrano had told authorities he was born in Mexico. But ICE never responded, and the Sheriff's Office released Serrano from jail. Now he's accused of killing 5 people, including 4 men in KCK.
That's certainly unfortunate that we now have 4 people dead as a result of that. I don't know what led to that mistake. I hate to criticize someone when I don't know all the facts.
ICE would make a second mistake. In August, these court records show Serrano was pulled over in Overland Park for not having 2 working headlights. He was also charged with driving without a valid license and insurance. Fingerprints taken in municipal court found their way to ICE. Since Serrano had already been deported once in 2004, ICE sent a request to detain him. But by mistake, they sent it to the Johnson County Sheriff, not to municipal court. Yesterday, ICE blasted the Sheriff's Office for failing to cooperate in releasing Serrano without notice. When we were told the Sheriff's Office had no record of Serrano being at the county jail, we sent this email to ICE Tuesday night asking, "Are you sure it's Johnson County, Kansas?" 2 hours later, an email response acknowledged the detainer request was sent to the wrong agency, stating ICE regrets the error.
Well, it can't go on the way it's happened in this case on the 2 instances.
And in the last hour, ICE sent us a new statement. It indicates Serrano was convicted of a DUI in Coffee County, Kansas in 2014, but ICE claims they were never notified. As for the 2 more recent cases in our area, ICE says because Serrano was only issued a traffic ticket in Overland Park and not arrested, he could not have been federally detained. There was no explanation about why ICE didn't respond to Wyandotte County in June. And Krista, had he been federally detained, he could have faced up to 20 years in prison for re-entering the country illegally after being deported.
And now